Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can add a custom domain in Blogger. So I have been using this blogspot for a long time. This is my website as present, huffington.website, and this is my blog on Blogger, huffingtonwebsite.blogspot.in. So it's very long name. I want to add this shorter version of my name on my website, and I want my website viewer to access this instead of this long name. So you can do it. For this you need to go to your Blogger account first, and you need to click on settings. And settings, you can see here, you need to click this option. This is the option just below. You can just show you. This is your blog. This is my third party URL just below it. Can you see it? Yeah, that's okay. So just need to click on set up a third party URL for your blog. So here you need to enter your website. Make sure to add www before entering your website. So this is my website, huffington.website. So www is must. So now you need to click on save. Here you can see this error message. So authenticity is not yet taken from your web hosting server. So you will receive this message. So it means Google is not able to verify whether this domain is yours or not. So you need to make few changes. Here are the changes. You can see name, label, or host field. You need to enter in destination, target, or point. So let's go to my now web hosting server. So here, this is my web hosting server, GoDaddy.com. You can do the same process with other web hosting servers as well. So you need to first log in to your GoDaddy account and click on all domains. So the pointers and these numbers will change accordingly, because even in GoDaddy it changes time and again. So you don't need to worry. The internal things will remain same. So click here and click on manage DNS. You need to search these options in your GoDaddy account. So here you need to make few changes in your CNAME and a record. So I will show you how to do it. So you need to first search name, label, or host. In this you need to add www in your CNAME, and in destination, target, or point you need to add this thing. So your web hosting can have any of these things where you need to add this thing in CNAME, and it may have destination, target, or point. So let me check what is showing in GoDaddy. In CNAME, this one, there are three CNAME. I need to check this www one. So if it is not there, you can create it. Okay. So CNAME, in front of this I have to add this thing. Okay, just copy it and just need to click here, add it, point to, just paste this thing, click on save. Okay, so this is added, first thing. Now you need to click on second thing. This you need to search. It is not there, don't need to worry, just you can add it here. So you need to click here and click on type. You need to click on CNAME. Now host is this thing, and point to is this thing. It's very simple. Just you need to click on save, cross check it once again and click on save. That's very simple. Now you can check this thing. So it's showing now error. So it will take 4 to 5 hours to redirect to this one. So you need to also update name servers. Name servers are updated just because this, see here, this is showing this thing, and see here www, it's showing an error. So even if you are going to enter this thing, it will come up the error. So to avoid this thing, you need to make changes in a name server. So for this you need to click here in setting instructions, open this thing. You need to make some changes in A records. So it's very easy, I will show you how to do it. Just scroll it down, click on this use a top level domain, scroll down. This is the setting you need to add in your name servers. So now you need to go to again to your web hosting server. You need to add these values in your web hosting account. So you need to create 4 A records. So you need to click add A record. Here you need to add @ and enter first IP address. Click on save. You need to do it 4 times. Again A record, select second one, enter @ point to this. To added, click on third one, copy this, paste, click on save. Last one, done. All 4 A records are now added to your web hosting account. So you can do the same thing with a Bluehost and other web hosting companies as well. It's very simple. The way you are doing it with GoDaddy, the same way you can do it with other web hosting companies as well. So after few hours, you can see my website. This website will appear. As of now, it is not appearing. It will take a few hours. So by doing these things, you will simply be able to redirect your website to your Blogger. So I think this is a useful video for you. You just need to wait for 24 hours, and it takes maximum 24 hours, but within 4 to 5 hours it happens. Okay, so don't need to worry. This is a simple process, and if you face any problem, you can just comment below and ask me the question. I will try my best to solve this issue. So I just waited for a few minutes, around 10 minutes, and I want to see I have seen that my redirection is now completed, and now you can open my this blog. This is Blogspot blog. I am opening it. Now you can see this redirection is completed, and it took only 15 minutes. You need to click here and click this button, and click on save. This option you also can add on a website. And see, you can see this is my Blogger blog. I want to show you again. This is thing. So it's now working perfectly fine, and redirection is completed. So you can do the same and enjoy. Thank you and bye bye.